Hi, Patrick L. Young here, just giving you a quick update. I was talking about Midsummer Musings the other week. It was a lot about regulation and crypto. The thing I think is most fascinating now is we're on the cusp of September. What do we know about September? Well, as long ago as, 1896, there was a man who was addressing various statistical societies around the UK, and he was noting the fact that there's always a higher risk of crashes. So in the Sunday papers at the weekend, a lot of people talking about the possibility that all sorts of things, real estate, copper, and of course equities, amongst other things, might be hugely overvalued and therefore on the cusp of a crash. However, think about it this way. When we're looking at crashes taking place in the stock market, we generally tend to see that the stock market is already off its highs, trying to recover at the point when it all goes horribly pear-shaped. In other circumstances, usually, if the market comes off a bit from its all-time highs, it tends to recover relatively quickly. Nowhere was that more obvious, of course, than last year when the incredible COVID crash turned into the unbelievable COVID boom of just a few weeks later. So, September to November, you need to be careful. You need to avoid excess risk, but at the same time, there are going to be some very exciting opportunities in markets around the world. I, for one, don't think we're going to see a stock market crash during the course of September to November, but of course, it's been a long time since a correction, so we might yet see the stock markets having a little bit of a correction before presumably they get their wiggle on and have one of their great pre-Christmas rushes towards highs. Certainly at the moment, things looking good in the equity markets, even though we have had some amazingly strong performance during the course of the year, and people are going to be nervous given the fact that we no longer have actually any sort of functional working US government, and there's always the taper tantrum worry as well. So, big crash? Probably not. Market correction? Quite feasibly. September through November, the high point for crashes, whether it was 1907, 1929, 1987, 1989 mini crash, and many others along the way throughout the course of market history. Stay safe, invest soundly, don't over-leverage yourself, and have a great final quarter in the equity market year. My name is Patrick L. Young. Thanks for listening, and please do your own research.